Hi friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I will be speaking about why it's important to consume media in your target language. If you are taking French classes, most of the formal training will be in standard French. However, if you consume different types of media, for example, crime shows, sports, documentaries, historical dramas, you will be exposed to different types of French. So with more exposure to your target language in various contexts, you will be able to express yourself even more fluently. And another thing I can say is that despite the fact that structure is important, your learning experience has to be fun. Consuming things that interest you will make it a more enjoyable experience and will reduce the monotony of language learning. I really hope this video helps. Otherwise, thanks for watching and feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.